Yo, what's going on, y'all? Welcome back to Katie's Empire, and we got another crazy video for you guys to check out today. So today's video is going to be about a woman that says she no longer wants to be a mother and she wants to give her child up so she can go and live her life. Let's get into the video.
Let them know what you said.
This is not for everybody.
No, everybody need to know.
This is so
Come on
bad.
now, and you're a parent. You know what I'm saying?
You're a parent too.
Yes,
I don't
know.
want our kid no more. I'm sorry.
What?
You don't be here. You don't be here taking care of her. You don't be going through all the stressful stuff that I be going through.
Sure.
I want to go out. I want to go to the club. I want to travel. I want to be able to get up at 2 a.m. and go hang with my friends if I want to do it. You don't be nowhere to be found.
What? I'm working. What are you talking about?
Doing what?
And you sound real selfish like that. Saying that. You sound real
I'm alone.
selfish.
You're supposed to be her father, and I'm alone.
I am
24
her
hours
father,
in a day.
and I am here
so
with
where
her.
do you be at? Because you might as well be a absent baby daddy, and I might as well put you on child support.
Oh my God.
To be honest.
Well, where the baby at right now?
With your mother.
With my mother.
Yeah, because you want to sit here and put
But
a
she
camera
told
in my
me
face
she was
and
going to
argue.
be here with you.
Why would she be here with me when I don't want her?
Oh my God, you sound real selfish, man. I don't even understand how we even going through this right now.
Because you don't be here. I gotta sit there and bathe your child every night. I gotta sit
But that's
here-
what you supposed to do.
I gotta every night where I gotta put her to sleep. I gotta sit here and take her to the doctor when she's sick. I gotta sit here and take her in and out the store with a car seat. Her car seat almost as big as me. Heavy. You don't be nowhere. I gotta take her in and out the store. It's hot. I gotta sit there and get her hair done. Daycare expensive. You barely help with that. You don't help with no bills in this house. We living on Section 8. What are you here for?
What are you-
I don't want to do this alone. You wanted this kid. You sat there on your knees, crying, begging, snotting. Okay, because you said you was gonna be here.
Oh, all right, and I'm here. So why we
You're
going
here
through this?
arguing with me, but you're not here
Oh
when it
my
counts.
God. Oh
You're
my
not
God.
here when it counts.
Oh my
So I
God.
don't want her. So you can
Oh
either
my
go pick
God.
her up from your mother's house, or she'll be at the fire station next week, and
You
I'm
not
gonna be in
ta-
Miami next somewhere.
Oh, in Miami. So that's more important.
Yeah,
That's
I
more
want to live
important.
my life. I don't want no kid.
You know-
you wanted this kid. You said you was gonna be here. You was gonna be the father, and you was gonna take care of what you needed.
And
to
that's
take
what
care
I'm
of.
doing.
No, you're not.
Look, y'all see her? Y'all see this right now?
You probably
Y'all see
be
how she
around me and
sounding
your
right now?
daughter 2 hours a week.
Do y'all witness this right here? Oh my God, you
Nobody
sound so
better sit here and agree
pathetic.
with
You
and
sound
be
so
You're an
pathetic.
absent father.
You sound so
You're an
pathetic
absent
right
father.
now. You know what I mean? You doing the thing, the essential things
Oh
that
my God,
a
you're-
mother's supposed to.
Okay, what is a father supposed to do?
What
Sit
you
there
mean?
and put
I
bitches
go
on the
work.
streets?
The father go work, provide for the
What
family,
are you
protect the family.
providing? Because I pay for daycare. Your mother picks her up when I have to go to work.
Okay, it's a team, man. It's a family. It's a team effort.
You
If I
the
gotta
only
handle
one
some
that's not
business,
on the team.
if
You
I got,
was a bench warmer, my dude.
oh my
Like you was a
God,
bench warmer.
oh my God, now I'm a bench woman.
Yes, because when your mother has to pick up our daughter, when I can't pick up your daughter, why can't we call you? Why we gotta call everybody in the family? to
Because
pick up
I'm
your
working
daughter?
late. I'm working late, and that's
You
not
work
even.
24 hours a day?
Yes, I do.
Be for real.
And but listen,
Be
but
for real.
that don't mean for you to want to give up the child. That's
Did you
crazy.
take her?
I will,
Okay, then.
and I'm
then
taking
what
you
we
to
have
court, and I'm putting you on child support.
You're not putting me on child support. I will sign over all my rights right now.
Believe that? Wow.
Like
and,
what?
and you think that's cute?
I don't think it's cute, but I didn't want her. You did. So
Oh
take care of
my
her.
God. Oh my God. That like I don't understand why I even came in this situation with you.
I don't
Anyway.
either. Nobody told you to sit there and beg on your knees to have a kid with me.
Oh, so I begged on my knees.
Yes, you did.
Oh my
I have
God.
a video.
Oh. I see how you trying to play it. But that don't change the
Where
fact
were you
that
when I was in the delivery room? Because I feel like your mother was there during the delivery room. Where were you?
that day I had to go put
Oh, so
somebody.
you was in the delivery room, but you want to say I look crazy.
But I
I'm not
came
about to keep this.
after the fact.
I'm
came.
not about to keep doing this.
No, hold on.
So
No, you
I'm
gonna
not about to
stand.
keep doing this.
No,
So
you gonna
pick your
stand right
You
there.
can pick her up from your mother's house, or she going to the fire station come next week, and all her stuff will be packed, and she will be sitting out there looking crazy.
And you can really breathe and live like that.
I don't.
Wow.
Wow. We have a lot to unpack. Wow. Holy sh... So, just reading the title, man, reading the title and actually watching and listening to the video honestly helps provide a lot of context. So, they live under Section 8 or in Section 8, however you put it. Now, how much is rent? Like if you're doing that, like I don't know, but I've seen a lot of stuff like your rent is like $7. But she also said that she works. So if both of y'all work and the baby is at daycare, when are both of y'all like actually, what are you complaining about? Because the mom picks the child up from daycare, right? Okay. Let's just say for instance, you work 7 to 8 hours out of the day, which is normal. He might work 10. All right. 7 to 8 hours out of the day. The child is in daycare for some of that day. And then we're normally going to bed and getting what? I don't know, 7, hopefully somewhere around 6, 7, 8 hours of sleep. That's close to 16. That's close to 16. We got 8 more hours left. I'm trying to figure out what's going on here, man. Like, what are we complaining about? I'm thinking, you know, she doesn't work, so she's with the child like 24/7. But you're getting a break away from your child when you're at work, and then you say that the mom picks her up from daycare. So I'm thinking, you know, what are you doing from the time that you get off to the time that you go pick her up from his mom or whatever? I don't know. And then the guy, fam, she said she got a video of you begging. Say you were crying and all these snots and everything, begging for that child. And she said that you're nowhere around. I understand a man is supposed to work, but what are you working for exactly? Because y'all are on Section 8. So, again, I'm confused. If the bills is only like $7, $8, where is all of the money going for all the time that is spent at work? Because he said he worked pretty much damn near all day. So them paychecks should be decent. And your money, the biggest part of a lot of people's living expenses or whatever, or expenses throughout the month, is rent or mortgage. Like, what, you got a Bugatti or something? A Lamborghini? Like, what's going on? Y'all living above y'all means? She said that and her trip was she wanted to go to Miami. It don't cost that much to go no damn Miami. I mean, if the mom is willing, like, there are things that you can do and you can make happen. Like, Miami is right down the damn street. If you're in the U.S., if you're in the United States, it's not too far. Like, it takes you literally like, what, 2 hours to get to Miami in most places? So I'm still somewhat confused. Again, after looking at the title and watching the video, it was a lot of context that was given, but it's still some gray areas. I'm trying to figure out, what do you do? What do both of y'all do? And how much time are y'all spending like away from your child? How much time do you actually have with the child? This shouldn't be a complaint. That she's talking about, got to get back on her. She's talking about, you know, feeding and basically just nurturing what a mother is supposed to do. And fam, you know, if, you know, you asked for that child, begged for that child, you were sitting there crying or whatever. She said she got a video. You with snot bubbles or whatever, asking for that child, then why not let that job know, hey, you know, I'm going to be trying to spend a little bit more time with my family, with my daughter or whatever. Y'all don't have to work. Y'all stay on Section 8. I don't get it. I honestly do not get it, because if you're on Section 8, and I could be wrong, but if you're on Section 8, the only reason why she was given Section 8 is because she's like alone, right? And maybe with a child. Can you have Section 8 and have the man put on there as well? I don't think so. I mean, I don't know. Y'all let me know down in the comments, man. I got so many different doggone questions. Maybe you guys can provide a little bit of insight, because I'm confused on this one, all right? Y'all let me know down in the comment section, man. Let's talk about it, all right? Y'all be blessed, be beautiful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. You on Section 8? I don't get it.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up. Tan skin, mixed race, buttercup. Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna, whoa.